everyone! Welcome to Crave Haven Zone.
Hello my lovely subscribers. Today we are going to make delicious homemade hummus even without tahini sauce. Let's make it super creamy and easy. Prepare the ingredients. 1 cup of chickpeas soaked overnight and boiled, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 2 cloves of garlic, half teaspoon of cumin, half teaspoon of salt, 3 tablespoons of cold water. Add all the ingredients to the blender and blend until smooth and creamy. Little by little until you have the perfect texture. And again. Our easy homemade hummus is ready. Olive oil on top and serve.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications.